Once upon a time, most people lived in small, quiet villages like this one. They farmed the land, made things by hand, and traveled only as far as their feet or a horse could take them. This was life in the 1700s, slow and steady. But something was about to happen that would change everything. It all started with cotton. For centuries, people had woven cloth by hand, using simple tools. It was slow, tedious work. But demand for cotton cloth was rising, especially in Britain. People wanted more, faster. Enter James Hargreaves. In 1764, Hargreaves invented a machine called the spinning jenny. This incredible device allowed one person to spin multiple threads of cotton at once, speeding up the process by leaps and bounds. Now, instead of hours spent spinning a single thread, workers could spin 8 or more at once. Cloth could be made faster, and businesses began to grow. But the spinning jenny was just the beginning. With inventions like the water-powered loom and, later, the steam engine, entire factories sprang up. Instead of small workshops in villages, thousands of workers flocked to cities to work in these new mills, factories where machines, not hands, did the hard work. At the heart of this new world was the steam engine, perfected by a man named James Watt. Steam engines didn't just power factories. Soon, they were moving trains and ships. With steam, people could travel faster than ever before, and goods could be transported across the country at a speed no one had ever imagined. But the Industrial Revolution wasn't just about machines. It transformed society itself. People moved from rural villages to booming cities, where work was plentiful, but conditions were tough. Factories were noisy, dangerous, and often dirty. Many workers, including children, toiled long hours for little pay. Life was hard for many, but there was hope. The Industrial Revolution brought new opportunities. Jobs, inventions, and wealth began to spread. It wasn't just cotton anymore, coal, iron, and steel fueled new industries. Britain, and later the rest of Europe and America, saw railroads stretch across the land and steamships cross the oceans. Alongside the steam and smoke, ideas were spreading. Education improved, and science and technology advanced. People like Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, and new medicines helped cure diseases. The world was speeding forward, and life as people had known it was changing forever. The Industrial Revolution was a time of great change. It brought new inventions, new ways of working, and new challenges. While life wasn't always easy for those who lived through it, their efforts shaped the world we live in today. From the spinning wheels of the 1700s to the skyscrapers and technology of the modern world, we owe much of our progress to this incredible period in history. And that's the story of the Industrial Revolution, the time when the world shifted gears and moved into the future.